Admission, admission, admission. Are you looking for a computer institution with a serene atmosphere in equipping you with the ability to deepen your understanding and in-depth knowledge in computerization? Then the answer is Big Family Multimedia Institute. Our dedicated and experienced teachers are ready to provide personal attention, support, and help you bring your fusion to bear. We are located at Amasama and Dobrogono, Upper Class Junction, and Santa Maria Family and Friend. For more information, contact 0555 20 80 56 0540 932 188. Website bfmnetworks.com. Email info@bfmnetwork.com. Other affiliates include Center for Trade, Big Family TV, Big Family News, Big Family Radio, Big Family Event, Big Family Multimedia Institute, KabaraInfo.com, Trustees, Okman Motors, Soko Mall, ABK TV Ghana. Enroll now and experience the difference.
You are all that matters.
Admission, admission, admission. Are you looking for a computer institution with a serene atmosphere in equipping you with the ability to deepen your understanding and in-depth knowledge in computerization? Then the answer is Big Family Multimedia Institute. Our dedicated and experienced teachers are ready to provide personal attention, support, and help you bring your fusion to bear. We are located at Amasama and Dobrogono, Upper Class Junction, and Santa Maria Family and Friend. For more information, contact 0555 20 80 56 0540 932 188. Website bfmnetworks.com. Email info@bfmnetwork.com. Other affiliates include Center for Trade, Big Family TV, Big Family News, Big Family Radio, Big Family Event, Big Family Multimedia Institute, KabaraInfo.com, Trustees, Okman Motors, Soko Mall, ABK TV Ghana. Enroll now and experience the difference.
You are all that matters.
You are listening to Big Family Radio. Big Family Radio. Obiase Eye.
You are welcome to today's business update from the studios of Big Family Radio. Today is 12 May 2025. Let's dive into the latest business trends and figures as at 9 o'clock hours GMT. We are streaming live on Facebook, that is Big Family Radio, and you can also subscribe to our YouTube channel, Big Family Radio. My name is Miss Kwe Ellen. Let's get started.
You are listening to Big Family Radio. Big Family Radio. Obiase Eye.
Economist warns Ghana. Cities gains are artificial. Need home ground policies. While the recent strength of the Ghanaian cedi against the US dollar is positive, it's not enough to guarantee Ghana's long-term economic recovery. According to Professor Isaac Buedi, Executive Director of the Institute of Economic Research and Public Policy, he cautioned against relying on a weak dollar as a long-term strategy. Speaking on the cedi's rebound, fueled by factors like gold, debt relief, and a $490 million lifeline, Professor Buedi stated, emerging markets like Ghana cannot outsource our stability to global lack. He urged the government to move beyond temporary advantages and solidify economic gains with pragmatic policies and programs. Professor Buedi emphasized the need for real structural reforms, curbing reckless spending, boosting local production, and slashing import dependency, warning that without these measures, the city's recovery would be a 9-day wonder. He also cautioned the government against reckless spending, as the current gains are artificial at best. These sentiments were echoed by the Dean of Faculty of Accounting and Finance at the University of Professional Studies, Accra, who warned that a strengthening US dollar could reverse the city's gains if global conditions improve. This underscores the need for Ghana to implement sustainable domestic economic policies. Guta, cities rise driven by reduced demand for forex. The Ghana Union of Traders Association report that the recent appreciation of the cedi is partially due to a significant decrease in its members' demand for foreign currency. According to Charles Kusi Appiah, head of Guta's Business and Economic Bureau, traders are increasingly favoring the cedi over the dollar driven by the local currency's recent strength. Speaking on the media, Appiah explained that traders traditionally use dollars to protect their working capital in uncertain economic times. When the cedi is not doing well, people put their trust in forex. The dollar becomes the store of value, he said. However, with the cedi's appreciation, the incentive to hold dollars has diminished. The cedi is appreciating, so why hold on to forex when you are losing value? Appiah also cited the introduction of gold board, which facilitates international transactions using gold, as a factor reducing the need for forex. With the introduction of gold board, where most international transactions use gold, the demand for forex has reduced, so there is no need for one to hold forex for any transaction. He advised traders holding forex to liquidate if they have no immediate need for it, suggesting alternative investments like gold coins. Appiah emphasized that the trend is clear. A strong cedi is beneficial for traders. Working capital. Anytime forex outperforms the cedi, our working capital gets depleted. Ultimately, Appiah concluded that traders' confidence in the cedi's strength as a store of value is driving the current market dynamics. The confidence has been that our local currency is strong enough to be the store of value. That is what is accounting for the things we see now.
You are listening to Big Family Radio. Big Family Radio. Obiase Eye.
Ghana and Cote d'Ivoire lead West Africa in trade surpluses for 2024. Ghana and Cote d'Ivoire recorded the highest trade surpluses in West Africa for 2024 at approximately $4.1 billion and $2 billion respectively. This is according to advisory firm Bridgewater Advisors, which noted significant negative variation in trade balances across the region due to commodity price fluctuations, exchange rate volatility, and domestic economic policies. West Africa's overall trade balance was $1.6 billion or 0.2% of its GDP. In contrast, Nigeria and Togo reported the largest trade deficits at $1.8 billion and $1.1 billion respectively. The report projects East and West Africa to have the largest current account deficits, driven mainly by Burundi and Liberia. Bridgewater Advisors also analyze Africa's broader trade environment, highlighting both challenges and opportunities. Despite holding immense potential with a combined GDP of $3.4 trillion and vast natural resources, Africa faces challenges such as reliance on raw material exports, infrastructure deficits, and complex trade procedures. However, countries like India, the UAE, and Turkey are emerging as key trading partners alongside China, offering new economic collaborations and investment opportunities. Africa's export trade reached $624 billion in 2024, with a trade deficit of $88 billion.
You are listening to Big Family Radio. Big Family Radio. Obiase Eye.
Now starting with the exchange rate. The selling rate of the euro is 15.03 Ghana cedis, and the buying rate is 14.17 Ghana cedis. The selling rate of the pound is 17.73 Ghana cedis, and the buying rate is 16.72 Ghana cedis. The selling rate of the US dollar is 13.34 Ghana cedis, and the buying rate is 12.60 Ghana cedis. Moving on to energy. Crude oil is sold at $62.72 per barrel. Brent crude is sold at $65.55 per barrel. Natural gas is sold at $3.79 per million British thermal units. Now on metals. Gold is sold at $3,236.90 per troy ounce. Silver is sold at $32.43 per troy ounce. Copper is sold at $465.30 per pound. Platinum spot is sold at $985.10 per troy ounce. Ending with agriculture. Corn is sold at $452 per bushel. Wheat is sold at $520 per bushel. Cocoa is sold at $9,047 per metric ton. Cotton is sold at $68.63